friends, I am back today with another style video, and this time I am styling this super sweet snake dress from Disturbia. They had a sale during Black Friday, so I got a couple of their things. I cannot tell you how comfortable this dress is. It literally feels like pajamas. It has a little waist tie, so you know, you can give yourself a little bit of shape. You can wear it open too if you want to just wear it without the waist tie, but I like the tie kind of put over to the side like this. Here's a little ring and some earrings to add to this fun little gothy outfit. I'm so used to voice texting, I keep wanting to say period at the end of all of my sentences. So anyways, these are some earrings. Everything that I am wearing will be credited in the description below unless it is something that I do not remember where I got or it came from a random mall store. I was gonna wear this dress with boots, but I thought these little like witchy Mary Jane shoes actually looked a little better. This dress is kind of a weird length to wear with boots because you can't really see the end of the boots and it just looks a little strange. So we went with the little witchy Mary Janes. Let me know what you guys think, if you think I made the right decision with the Mary Janes or if I should have paired it with some boots. I mean, obviously if I was going out for a winter night, I would probably do boots. I hope you guys are liking these style videos. I'm doing it in this format so that you can see my entire outfit in the frame without me having to have a cameraman. So let me know what you think. If you want to see more style videos, let me know, and I will see you guys in the next one.